You are preparing for NECO examination, which I know is very close by. This is one of those questions you're going to see in the theory part of your exams, and these questions is going to earn you 4 marks. So it's a good thing to get to know questions like this so that you can easily solve them when you see them. The question is, the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 1440 degrees. The question says, how many sides has the polygon? And you're asked to find the sides of each exterior angle. Now, the first thing you ask yourself is, what is a polygon? And what is a regular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon with congruent sides and equal angles. So a polygon that has congruent sides and equal angles are known as regular polygons. An example of such regular polygons is regular squares and equilateral triangles. Now, in this question, you are asked to find the number of sides that the polygon has. Now, remember, one good question you ask yourself is, what am I given? We are only given the sum of the interior angles of the polygon, which is equal to 1440 degrees. We don't know the number of sides, and that is what the question is asking from us. Now, there is one general formula we use, and that general formula is called the sum of the interior angles of any regular polygon with n side. If you recall this formula, there are just two. We have what? The sum can be equal to, the first one has to do with the angle 90, and that is what? 2n minus 4, and when you multiply by 90 degrees. Right? While the second one, you can use what? You can use your 90 or 180. The sum is equal to n. That is going to give you n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Now, any of these you use can be able to fetch you the answer to that first question: how many sides has the polygon? Now, how many sides has this polygon? Remember, we are given the sum, which is s. We don't know what the side is, so we are going to use any of these formula. Now, I'm going to use s equal to n minus 2 and multiply by 180 degrees. Now, s, which is the sum of the interior angles of an n-sided polygon, we are given 1440 degrees, and that is equal to n, we don't know what it is, minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Now, the first thing we are going to do here is just simple. We need to remove 180 so that we'll know what we are doing. If we divide all this place by 180, 180 will cancel out 180. While this cancel out this, we'll have 144 divided by 8, and that will make our division a bit easier. Now, this is going to give us n minus 2 to be equal to 144 divided by 18. I think if we have 18 times 8 will give us 8 times 8 will give us 64, right? We give 6. 8 times 1 is what? 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is going to give us what? 14. So that means this is going to give us 8. So our n will be equal to 8 plus 2, and then our n will be equal to 10. That means the number of sides that regular polygon has is what? Is just simply 10 sides. So the next question says we should find the size of each exterior angles. Now, the sum of the exterior angle of polygon is always a 4 right angle, that is 360 degrees. So in the B part, if you are asked to find the size of the exterior angle, that means the size of the exterior angle is always what? Is the size of the exterior angle. If we calculate the exterior angles of all the polygon, is always equal to what? 360 degree. So if we want to find just one of, because that place say we find the size of each, if we want to find the size of just one of the exterior angle, if the sum of all the exterior angle can give us 360 according to the sub formula, the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is 4 sides or 4 right angles, and 4 right angles, a right angle is equal to 90 degree, and 4 right angles is 90 times 4, which is equal to 360 degree. So if we have 360 degree and we are asked to find one side of that exterior angle, that will be what? 360 degree divided by the sides, which we do not know. And remember that we already know what n is, but we don't know what, we know the number of sides that the polygon, the regular polygon has, but we don't know the angle of each of the exterior sides. So if the size is n, this will simply give us what? 360 divided by n, which is 10. 10 cancel, 0 cancel out 0, and then this will give us 36 what? 36 degree. So that means the size of each of the exterior angle is simply 36 degree. Now you see how simple this question is. It's going to earn you 4 marks in your exams. So do well to practice this same kind of question. Look at how you can answer questions like this in your exams, and that will help you thrive. We're going to be bringing you questions like this as your exam, especially your mathematics exam, draw closer. To get more of this update of our videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more of these past questions. Until then, bye bye.